Life isn't perfect. But neither are we. And that's what makes us strong. Behind every smile you see is someone fighting a battle. Some battles are loud. Most are silent. And the hardest part? We often believe we're the only ones struggling. This is a story about problems in life, and the strength we find in facing them. There once was a boy named Ishan. Quiet, kind, always smiling. But he was carrying more than anyone could see. His father had lost his job. His grades were falling. He felt invisible at school. At home, the tension hung in the air like fog. He never talked about it. Because, who would understand? Every morning, Ishan put on his uniform like armor. And every night, he lay awake, asking one question. Why me? Here's what no one told him. Everyone is carrying something. And most people are just hiding it better than others. Life doesn't always hit you in one blow. Sometimes it's quiet pressure. One thing after another. A bad test. A fight with a friend. A parent who doesn't understand. A dream that seems to be slipping away. The problem with problems is they compound. And soon you dawn. Ishan began skipping homework. Then skipping meals. Then skipping conversations. Not because he didn't care, but because he was drowning. It wasn't laziness. It was overload. Have you ever felt that? When everything feels too much, and you still pretend you're okay. That's not weakness. That's survival. One day, Ishan's teacher asked him to stay back. Is everything okay? She asked. And for the first time, Ishan broke down. Not loudly. Just quietly. A whisper. I'm tired of pretending I'm fine. The teacher didn't give advice. She didn't hand him a solution. She just said, sometimes being honest is braver than being strong. That was the moment something shifted. Not around Ishan, but inside him. Problems didn't disappear. But now they didn't define him. He realized he wasn't alone. And neither are you. Life doesn't get easier. But you get stronger. Ishan started small. He made his bed every morning. He wrote down 3 things he could control. His attitude. His effort. His focus. That's how you solve problems. Not all at once. But piece by piece. You don't need to be perfect to move forward. You just need to move. Forward is still forward. Even if it's slow. He couldn't change his father's job. But he could study for 20 minutes. He could take a walk. He could talk to someone instead of hiding it. Today, Ishan still faces challenges. Like you. Like me. Like everyone. But now he doesn't run. He doesn't pretend. He shows up. He breathes. He keeps. Whatever you're carrying, you don't have to carry it alone. And you don't have to have it all figured out. Just take the next small step. And then another. And another. Because the truth is, your problems do not define your life. Your response does. If this story reminded you of your own, share it. Comment one problem you're choosing to face instead of fear. We grow together here. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, you are stronger than your struggle. You are not alone.